Hey guys, this is how to fix Deliveroo app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side. So first, just simply go to the Google Play Store, and after that, just simply tap on the search at the bottom, and just simply go ahead and tap on the search at the top. Just simply search for the Deliveroo app and just simply tap on it. And from here, when there is an update, you should be able to see update button instead of open. And just simply tap on it and make sure you are running the latest version. Just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now for the second solution, just simply go to the settings into your device and just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply scroll down again and just simply look for the Deliveroo app and tap on it and tap on storage and tap on clear cache. Now, if you still have issues, just simply go back over here. Just simply tap on clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to fix the issue and you should be able to reset the app. Now, another solution, just simply hold the application and tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And just simply go back to the Google Play Store. Just simply reinstall it back again into your device. And after that, you should be able to get it working again. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, just simply comment down below and I will do my best to help you out. See ya.